So for the basic exercise, you can try this now if you want to. Pause this recording if you need to get yourself to a space where you can do an exercise. So it's done lying down, either on the floor or on a bed, some surface that's large enough for you to kind of sprawl out a little bit, because you're going to put your arms behind your head like this. If you can, if you don't have the mobility in your shoulders to do that, you can just use one or just do the best you can. The object is to get your hands underneath your head so you're supporting the occiput region at the back of your head where your skull kind of meets your neck. This is the area that you want to cradle. You're going to interlace your fingers. Now you're lying down when you do this. So go ahead and lie down on your back if you haven't already. Get yourself cozy. Take your hands, put them behind your head so that you're cradling your skull and your thumbs can feel that spot where your neck goes right into the back of your skull. Okay. And now that you're there, just go ahead and use your breath. Take a gentle inhale and a nice long exhale. You can exhale with a hum if you want to add an extra little sprinkle on the cake for this one. Just inhale again, and as you exhale, move your eyes, not your head, just your eyes, all the way over to the right. And just hold your eyes there. And continue breathing gently or just normally. You don't have to overthink it. And eventually, as you're lying there with your eyes, keeping your eye as far over to the right as you can without kind of hurting your eye muscles, eventually you're going to feel the sensation of wanting to yawn or sigh. And it's going to be a really interesting yawn. You'll know what I mean when it's like, right now I'm feeling the urge to yawn and I'm not going to do it because I'm in the middle of a video. So it even works sitting up, but it works a little better lying down. Once you get your yawn or your sigh, bring your eyes back to center. Just rest for a moment. Breathing. And then go ahead and take your eyes all the way over to the left. Just looking with just the eyes, keeping your head facing straight up. Breathing gently. And there's my urge to yawn. I won't do it because I don't want to yawn in your face. And once you've had a yawn or sigh response on each side, come back to the center. Just breathing gently. What this does is it really just powerfully shifts you back into that parasympathetic dominant rest and digest neutral state.